Jacob & Company Gotham City Rose Gold Watch. Main functions are caliber number is GFM10. Mechanism is hand wound. Components are 382. Power reserve 48 hours approximate. Frequency is 21600 V3 Hz. Case size is 46 m. Case height is 17.2 mm. Case material is 18K rose gold. Crystal anti-reflective sapphire crystal. Caseback sapphire crystal with Batman signature drawing. Water resistance is 30 m. 3 am. Dial, bat-shaped onyx, yellow outline. Hands, rose gold-plated, sword-shaped. Strap, cordura with yellow rubber lining. Clasp, 18K, rose gold deployant clasp. Other functions are double flying triple axis tourbillon. 1 staxis, rotation in 24 seconds. 2 n-axis, rotation in 48 seconds. 3 rd axis, rotation in 180 seconds.